Hello guys, I'm Leonardy. I will show you how to driving a manual transmission car. It is a task that takes some training but can be accomplished by pretty much anyone who put their mind to it driving a manual transmission smoothly. Okay, first, of course, we'll start the car like this. Okay. Yeah, that's the first step. Okay, first step. And number two, don't forget to press the clutch fully, like this, to fully. Okay, and third step, then depress the brake pedal if you feel slight movement. Fourth step is make sure that the stick still into neutral. It's a neutral, right? Step 5 is with the clutch fully depressed, slot the stick into the first gear. You just move the stick to left then up, like this. You see? And next step, make sure the handbrake is disengaged because the car can work with it. Like it. Yes. Slowly release the clutch and add to accelerator until it begins to engage slightly the engine's RPM. We just open the RPM 200 or 300, but now 200 is enough. Okay. Okay, next step is press on the gas but only rev the engine a little above idle. Like it. Gas. Press. Continue to slowly release the clutch as you press on the accelerator. Keep the RPM only slight above idle. And continue slowly hitting more throttle and fully release the clutch. Next step, determine when you need to up shift engine speed, like this, from 1 to 2nd gear. Yeah, I repeat again, 1 to 2nd gear. That's it. Begin the upset process by removing your foot from the gas, depress the clutch. With the clutch fully depressed, slot into the 2nd gear, just move the stick down fully. So if you wanna up the gear from the 3 gear, just you push up, and up again. It's a 3rd gear. It's slowly, just RPM until 200. Yes. And next, slowly release the clutch and the throttle. Slowly, just slowly. And if you wanna more speed, you just press the clutch like this, and up the 3rd gear from the 2nd gear, and accelerate as normal. Okay. If you on the road, you can use 3rd gear. So with the clutch fully depressed, you move the stick up like this. Again, from the second gear. If we on the road, you need to up 2nd gear. I'm sorry, there's from the 2nd gear to 3rd gear, we just like this. Okay, I repeat again, from the 2nd gear to 3rd gear, like this. Accelerate as normal.